You don't stop at a better time than that. She was fixing to run over. Good old John Deere 6620 earning its keep at 3.5 miles per hour. Got a good bit done already today. Tell you what, these are some bright lights we put on the combine here. And this camera ain't doing it. This camera ain't doing it justice. Got the light bar on the front here. We're gonna mount another one of those over here, but have it shining out further. And yeah, them suckers are bright. I tell you what, makes it nice to see. We have one on the same spot, but on the other side, and that's where that spot of light's coming from, so you can see that side of the combine good. And then you have the light bar, and then that one on this side. That way when you're combining, you have light on the side, then the one on the grain, on the auger. So it's all really nice. Now let me close my door here. Got it closed. These are the switches for the lights, right here at the side of the combine. I just had to go make some adjustments to it. Guys, we're combining beans. I'm gonna make a skipper. Controlling two levers and a steering wheel is hard to do with one hand. Check out the beans. Went into the tank. Don't worry, I'm a highly trained professional at being stupid.